fill. Inside, it's important also that we have 20 components maximum. Inside, we only have 60. 4 external. Yeah? That's how it is being done. So you can fill this one up, and on the other side you have it as well.
Maximum is 20.
Maximum is 20. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If you want to switch on the system, you have the key. Yeah. The key you can take out in both positions, doesn't matter. That's the main switch.
Okay.
PC is in there. So it's more or less a normal PC, nothing special on that one. We just unlock transport security with this one, because this is something which has been screwed in there.
Okay.
Yeah. That is to avoid that the balance can go out during transport. So this one, and now it's on video.
Okay. Okay.
You can have also 10 internal components and 10 external. Also possible. You can mix your own system.
If you look from the top, you have access to the machine. Also, not the most interesting one. It's PC cabinet, electrical cabinet, software license, which are already there.
Okay.
If we go to this direction, we see the balance. Slide unit that you can pour out, where you can put on your bucket. This is the adapter to adjust it in height. Underneath we have the balance. It's more or less there. It's still transport.
Okay. Okay. This low cell. Low cell to check the balance or check the weight.
Check the weight.
Check the weight.
Yeah.
Okay. This low cell. Okay.
What you also can see is our cleaning unit, which is in here. In normal operation, you put some liquid inside. So you have a brush and you have a wiper blade. Which means if I put it out, I have the brush. When I put it in, it will turn.
Okay.
And I wipe it off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Before you close back, I may take a look again because I found some leveling.
Yeah.
This is how accurate, or just we can measure by this.
In real life, so when we have a proper installation, we are checking that one, and that's only a one-time installation.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
It's accurate enough.
And yeah.
Okay.
Because it is only if you put something on the balance like this, or when the balance is like this, you have the triangle.
Okay.
Which can make
because
it
the look is a bit quite sharp.
Yeah.
Yeah, but accurate now.
Inside here, we have the valves.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's
So
hard,
you can see 20 valve maximum, and there you can also see what the maximum diameter of your bucket must be. Yeah.
This is a valve.
Yeah.
And what is this?
That's a dummy valve.
What?
A dummy. Nothing.
Nothing. I just okay.
Yeah, because the valves are mounted flat on the bottom, and otherwise we have holes inside.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So if you look from there, you can see there are the valves, and these are the dummies.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's everything is stainless steel.
Okay.
So quite easy to clean.
Okay.
An important sales tool as well. If something happened by accident, the ink cannot come into the balance. You see there is this
Okay.
bridge, yeah? So it cannot come in. On this side we have screen, keyboard, label printer. Optional.
It's optional.
These are optional.
Okay.
That printer is standard.
That one is
Okay.
For reports.
If you go on this side, you can see more containers.
Okay.
2 of them are connected. 40 liter.
Okay.
40 liter, 40 liter, 20 liter. The rest also 20 liter. When you fill it up completely, once again, 60. Here,
Why you need 40? For the
some components which you use more. So
Okay.
if you fill it up totally, you have 14 of these, 2 of these, and 4 200. The 200, this could be used for transparent white, varnish, which is the biggest part in the recipe. This could be for the colors that you use the most. I don't know, yellow, magenta, something like that, not magenta, the other ones that you use most. So that must be decided by consumption, where you want to put it in.
And do you have the cleaning system? The valve, do we need a valve cleaning system? But from from one recipe to another recipe, maybe you don't need red anymore, but there's some red color still the valve. Do we need to clean up? Or?
That's the cleaning system that I showed you. The brush and the wiper blade. That's more or less wiping.
Okay. No any that color in the tube? Or?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. It's a closed system.
Okay.
So it doesn't do anything. So that's, you do not need to worry about that.
Okay.
This cleaning system will clean the valves, but of course a weekly maintenance. To clean it by hand will give a better impression over a long period.
Okay.
Over here you can see the pneumatics. Also the main pressure is also, you can see from the outside as well. 6 bar, it's necessary there. And these are individual settings which are already being set in our factory. It could be locally adjusted. That has to do with the running pumps on 50% or 100%, or open the valve or completely, or only partial. That's been set with these ones.
This pneumatic is to set the pump and the valve.
Yeah, it's for pump and valve, which is also the, this is pump, this is dispenser, so that's the valve.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see this and the little sign of the dispenser. The printer, it's here, so if you need to change the roll of paper, at this moment it's just paper, but of course you want to have label material inside. You just move this one up, and then it's more or less tilting out, and then you can put in a new paper.
Okay.
Yeah?
Maybe back to the pneumatic system. We have the solution in here. How serious, how clean up the air?
It's important.
Really important.
It needs to be clean air. We have a specification on ISO something, but I do not know it by head. There must not be oil or water.
Yeah, that's because we are the humid country.
That's important. It is clean air. It's also it doesn't use a lot of air. So roughly something like 500-600 normal liters. With 6 bar. So it is not really in any printing house. They should have this kind of air supply. But it is similar as for the power supply, which is normal 220. You do not want to have it on a network where you have a heavy machine being switched on and off, so that you have peaks like that, because that's not nice for the PC. That's similar for air. If they have heavy equipment standing there, which they're going to use, and there's a pressure drop in.
Should be individual.
It should be a stable line.
Stable line. Okay. But this air is no oil required.
No. No oil. No water. No dust or particles.
Because some pneumatic equipment they need the oil with the air.
No.
We can this one only.
No. And there is even here the water separator. Is there? No? Okay, we will show some pumps as well. Because the pumps we're using, you can pull this one out. You can even, if it's standing on the floor, you can pull it out completely and set it next to the machine. You can see this is a storage container. We have the pump. It's a pneumatic diaphragm pump. And we are pumping it up from here. From here it's going more or less to the valve. Here we have the surge pressure, which this pump is creating a pulsation. This one is leveling that one out. And it is also creating, when you are not dispensing, it will create a circulation. So even when you are not dispensing, the